If you're a retired police car owner, you've more than likely been there. Hell, I've been there. Yeah, I'm talking to you. The guy with all the strobe lights, push bars, police antennas, and radars. Hell, the footage you're seeing here, it's all me. But somewhere along the line, I came to a realization, and that is that owning a retired cop car that's been made to look like it's still in active duty is not only a bad idea, but as you've all been seeing all over the news, it can be a potentially deadly one too. Dude, hundreds of retired cop car owners have been affected by this current riot. I'm talking about windows smashed, cars vandalized, and families threatened. All because their cars simply look like a cop car. You see, I came to this realization a while ago, which was one of the reasons why I decided to quote-unquote decop my old Crown Vic.
Now what I'm going to be doing to the Crown Vic, guys, I'm going to be having an entire video series called Decopping My Ford Crown Victoria. That's right. Now, obviously, this car has a very cop car-like look. I'm going to be decopping it, which means I'm going to be removing a lot of the features and a lot of the things that this car has that make it look like a cop car.
Deep down, we all knew it. We were aware of the risks of driving a retired police car that was decked out to the max. It was a risk we were willing to take because the chances of it actually negatively affecting us technically were extremely low. That is, until early this month, where even the mere mundane task of going grocery shopping or being out in traffic makes you a giant target to have your car vandalized, or even worse, have your very life threatened. Now, don't get me wrong, there are many legitimate reasons to have your retired cop car filled with strobes and police equipment. But if you're someone who doesn't have a reason to have any of those things, please be careful. Consider not only your own safety, but the safety of your family as well. And ask yourself, is putting that big of a deadly target on your back really worth it? Even as things eventually will settle down, hostility towards law enforcement will never go away. Which means as long as you keep driving a retired cop car, you'll always have to be looking over your shoulder. It's gotten so bad that an active Not a Cop movement has begun nationwide, with retired cop car owners putting decals letting the public know that they are civilian drivers. There's even social media accounts that are making these decals, and these things are selling like hotcakes because of all the retired cop car owners who are in fear of their life because people think they're driving an active duty car. Now, other owners have gone the Mr. Random way and just fully straight up decopped their old cruisers and given them a more civilian look. At the end of the day, you guys choose how you represent your cars. But please consider what I just showed you guys and think of not only yours, but your family's safety as well. And with that being said, guys, stay strong and stay safe out there, man. Catch you guys on the next one.